Kembo, Nzambi, Yama, Zulu. Today I'm just doing the Mfumu's prayer. There's been a brother Nimi. He's just been helping me out, so Bilaka to him, and just thankful to the Most High, Tata Nzambi, Yama, Zulu, for just opening up new doors, new avenues to learn the Kikongo language. So this is the Mfumu's prayer, just reading it out for everybody, just practicing, and just a daily discipline to practice the language, the structure, to get better and better. All right. Sedietu koko Zulu, Yambula zinadia, Kudia zitisangwa, Ikintinu kya kutiza, Oluzolo luaku luapangana, Gama, Oya nisine, Ikoko Zulu, Utuyana, Etia kietu, Kwa lumbuke lumbu, Utunloloka, Masuma metu, Indoloka, Tuloloka, Ga, Tatuetu, Utufide ko muna o Mpopumune, Utuvuluza Munambi, Karikyaku, Ekintinu, Ingolo, Yon Kembo, Yakwele, Vu, Ingata. All right, well, Bilaka to all the brothers and sisters, Yenge, 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 and praise the Most High, Tata Nzambi, Yama, Zulu, and thank you everybody, and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Happy sunrise.